Thank you for joining me on MeasureLogic's video series. My name is Mark. Today I'll be demonstrating the features of the embedded web pages that are standard with every Ethernet DTS meter. Once open, the Monitor tab will be the first page you see. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see the serial number of your connected DTS meter. The data shown on this page is instantaneously updated from your DTS meter. The Energy tab shows the cumulative energy values in your meter. When you receive your Ethernet DTS meter, the Electrical Settings tab will show the meter's default current settings. The drop-down menus will be tailored to match the hardware of your specific DTS meter. The correct reverse CT installation checkbox will be checked by default. This is for consumption load applications. If you have a renewable application, please uncheck the box. Next, locate the CTs you plan to install with this meter. If you have a split core or solid core CT, check the output value on the label. Select this value in the current sensor drop-down menu. Next, let's find the CTE rating by locating it on the label. Input this value into the CT rating field. Click Apply to save your new settings. If you have a Rogowski coil, check the sensitivity value on the label. Select this value in the current sensor drop-down menu. Next, hit Apply. The CT rating will automatically adjust to the maximum value allowed for your selected sensitivity. The Network Settings tab shows the MAC address, host name, and IP address information for your meter. Your DTS meter was shipped with DHCP client enabled, and thus it will be checked. This will help you make connection to your meter for the first time. To set your DTS meter to a static IP address, uncheck DHCP client and enter the IP address that is assigned to this meter, along with the other network parameters. Hit Apply and a new window will open with the countdown running. The meter is in the process of updating its network settings to the newly assigned IP address. Once this is complete, you will be taken back to the Monitor page. If the countdown times out and you are not redirected to the Monitor page, this means one of two things. The first is that the IP address of your DTS meter is not on the same subnet as your computer. The second is the new IP address is conflicting with another device on your network. To resolve either of these conflicts, please use DTS Discover to update the network settings. There's a link at the bottom of this page that will take you to the DTS Discover download on the MeasureLogic website. If the page times out before you are able to click the link, please go to the MeasureLogic website manually to get the download. It will be linked in the description of this video. If you do not know the IP address of the DTS meter, please use the resources in the Accessing the Webpages video for assistance. When first opened, the BACnet Settings tab will display the factory default device ID of 473001. Change this to the specific assigned BACnet device ID for this meter and click Apply. The Device Details tab shows your DTS meter information. This information will be useful if tech support is ever needed. The Device Action section at the bottom of this page has two buttons. The Identify button can be useful when you are unsure of what meter you are connected to. When clicked, the status LED of your meter will flash quickly for 15 seconds. The Reset button will power cycle the meter. For different methods to access this web page interface, please reference our Accessing Webpages video linked below and on the MeasureLogic YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me on MeasureLogic's video series. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.